everyone, welcome back to new updates of Odoo 18. In today's video, we will discuss about the favorite filters. We can easily edit your favorite filters from the search panel. Let's move on to the products over here. And in this case, you can see that we have the favorite filter products right now. Now, as you just move on to the search panel, we can easily, edit that. Let me click on the edit button over here. So currently you can see that we have 189 records right now. Now I'm going to add a filter. So if you want to add a new filter, you can if you want to add new rules over here, you can easily do that. I would like to set the product type that is goods, and here we go, and we are just going to set it as goods. And here you can see that we have 135 records, and let me save the changes over here. Later on, as you just move on to the product, you can find the filter is applied over here. Previously we have 189 products. When you just set the filter over here, you can see the products which are product type good is now visible in the screen. So that's how we just set the favorite filters in Odoo 18.1. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo implementation or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.